Every evening at 6 o'clock, Monday to Sunday, the Angelus is heard over DWWW for everybody's spiritual assessment and self-upliftment. Join Father Rodon de Castro as we study the significance of the Angelus in our daily life. Brought to you by the Society of Our Lady of Guadalupe, by Father Rodon de Castro and this station.
Himig Pinoy, 2 oras ng palatuntunang magtatampok sa musikang Pinoy na Pinoy hanggang sa the best of OPM. Balikan natin ang mga alaala ng ating kabataan sa Himig Pinoy. Mga awiting may tunog, lasa at kaluluwa ng Pinoy. Linggo ng hapon, alas 5 hanggang alas 7 ng gabi sa DWWW 774.
Magmula nung ako'y natutong umawi,
Ang kanyang tinig, ang kanyang katauhan, sa naiibang palatuntunan, Father Rodon de Castro, kapamilya natin. Pakinggan ang kakaibang palatuntunan na pupukaw sa inyong diwa at makikibahagi sa inyong pagmumuni-muni. Father Rodon de Castro, kapamilya natin. Tuwing Sabado sa ganap na alas 10 hanggang alas 11 ng umaga, dito sa DWWW 774 AM Stereo. The premier station in music, news, and public service. AM Stereo.
Our time now, we've got 2 minutes after or before 4 p.m. And that time check was brought to us by PAGCOR, Philippine Amusement and Gaming Corporation, responding through responsible gaming.
Here now is the 774 Top of the Hour News.
And now for the news being brought to us by Malaya Newspaper. Despite the rise in global crude oil costs, pump prices of fuel dropped further by 30 centavos yesterday, this time due to the strengthening of the peso against the dollar. Oil companies said they reduced their fuel pump prices to reflect the minimal gain of the peso against the greenback. Petron Corporation, Filipina Shell, Chevron Philippines, Unioil Philippines, Total Philippines, Eastern Petroleum Corporation, Sea Oil Philippines, and PTT Philippines implemented across-the-board price cuts effective at 6 a.m. yesterday. Dubai crude, the benchmark used by local oil refiners, averaged $55.16 per barrel as of February 22 compared to January's average of $51.69. And so goes the news brought to us by Malaya Newspaper. From the news desk, my name is Nadia Bulalaki.
We have brought you the 774 Top of the Hour News. The premier station in music, news, and public service. AM Stereo.
Ang hapon pong muli sa ating lahat mga kababayan at nagbabalik tayo sa ating programang Musika at Kultura. Sa unang bahagi, hinatidan ko kayo ng mga awitin ng ating bayan. At ngayon naman, nais ko magtampok ng isang sining